My dear students, my dear student of class 8th, today I Bipin Mishra, TGT English of SRPS, welcome you all to the online session of English literature. So my dear student in class 8th, today I am here with a new chapter, and as you know, all of us know that after a long wait we are just going to give you the recorded classes, and very soon we will be starting our live session. So before that, I would like to ask you all that till chapter number 6, the explanation in the class have been completed. So now I am here with the chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is A Visit to Cambridge. So in this chapter, our author is visiting a place named Cambridge. Do you know where the Cambridge is? Cambridge is in the London. Okay, Cambridge is in the London. Cambridge is name of the place. Cambridge is name of the university. So Cambridge is a place in London, in Britain. So before we read the story, I would ask you all to write down 10 points on the Cambridge. Just from anywhere you are getting, find it and write down the 10 points on the Cambridge. So now I am going to start the chapter. Here the chapter, before we read, it says, this is the story of a meeting between two extraordinary people, both of them disabled or differently abled, as we now say. Do you know? This story revolves around the meeting of two people who are extraordinary. Extraordinary in the sense means having extra senses or not having some senses. Or maybe they would be disabled, differently abled, means any of their organ which is not functioning properly, that person is known as the extraordinary person. So here in this story, both the person who are meeting with each other, both of them are disabled. Both of them are differently abled. They are not perfectly with their organs. So who are they? Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of our time. As we know, recently a scientist died who gave us a black hole theory, who gave up many of the theories, and the name of that scientist is Stephen Hawking. So here about Stephen Hawking, I would like to say you all, he was a very great scientist who have died recently, and of our times he was one of the greatest scientists in this modern time. Means in books you would have listened about the scientist, you would have understood about the scientist, you would have listened about the story of the scientist. But Stephen Hawking was a scientist to whom we had seen, to whom we had interacted, to whom we had met. Means in reality not, but on social media, on each and everything, we are knowing about the Stephen Hawking very well. And as we know, he was differently abled even. He was paralyzed. Half of the body parts was not working of Stephen Hawking. Okay, here it is given. He suffers from a form of paralysis that confines him to wheelchair and allows him to speak only by punching buttons on the computer, which speaks from him in a machine-like voice. You know, he was paralyzed, and due to which he have to sit on the wheelchair. He have to behold on the wheelchair for the whole life, and he was even not able to speak with others. So for speaking, what he was doing, there was a computer which was developed by him, and he had to punch on that computer, on the buttons of that computer, and when he was punching, that computer was speaking in machine-like language on the behalf of him. The voice of that computer was like machine. Okay? Firdaus Kanga is a writer and journalist who lives and works in Mumbai. Kanga was born with brittle bones that tended to break easily when he was a child. Here, one another person is even there whose name is Firdaus Kanga. Now, who was this Firdaus Kanga? Firdaus Kanga was a writer. Do you know writer? One who writes a story, novel, poems, essay, criticize. That person is known as a writer. Journalist, one who gives the reports, one who makes the reports, one who do the journalism. Means, like in the newspaper, a report would be coming. That report is being given by the journalist. That press reporter is known as a journalist. Patrakarita, a person who works for the news, is known as a journalist. So the meaning of the journalist is a person who works for the news. So that Firdaus Kanga was living in Mumbai, who lives and works in Mumbai. Mumbai is a capital. Which capital? Economic capital of India. Mumbai is known as a wealth capital of India, one of the very wealthy city. So what happened with the Kanga? Kanga was born with a peculiar bone, very uninteresting bone he was having. Means such kind of bone which was very soft, tended, which was very soft, and it was breaking easily in his childhood days. Okay, like walking, Kanga moves around in a wheelchair. Same as Hawking was moving, in the same way, Kanga have to also move on this wheelchair because he was not able to walk on his foot own. The two great men exchanged thought on what it means to live life in a wheelchair, and on how the so-called normal people react to the disabled. These both of the great men, what did they do? They exchanged their thoughts, they expressed their thoughts, they told about their thinkings to each other, that what is the life on the wheelchair. When a person is on a wheelchair, what his life is, and how the general people react to the disabled people, how they react to them. In this way, when these both of the person met with each other, they exchanged their thoughts, they exchanged their feelings, they exchanged each and every aspects which they have faced in their life. So my dear students, your today's homework is, first of all, you have to write 10 points on the Cambridge, then you have to write 10 points on your thoughts about differently abled peoples. Thank you. Tomorrow I would be concluding my chapter in the Cambridge. Very soon we will be having a live session. Very soon our schools would be open, so need not to panic. Remain safe at home and be with the video till end to each and every video. Thank you.